What's up, guys? Today we're going to get some new wheels for the 2018 Chevy. Before we can go get new wheels, we need food vlog. But we're stuck in the drive-thru. We have a half-cut sweet tea, unsweet tea, and a sausage biscuit with cheese. Breakfast of champions. Alright, guys. We got monies. And we're headed, it's about 20 minutes down the road. We'll go grab them wheels. Alright guys, we just arrived, but it's raining outside, so I'm not going to take you with me because my camera's not waterproof. See ya in a minute. Just left the guy's house, got the rims. One was a little more scuffed up than I thought it was originally, but I'll just put it on the passenger side rear, never look at it, it'll be fine. But you can see tires through the back window. See at the garage, we'll go put them on. One of the most important things we need is right in here. That's right, the Impact by Milwaukee. My brother uses these all these Milwaukee tools for work. There's a badass flashlight. He loves them, never has an issue with them. I'll leave a link to the description if you want to go buy some on Amazon. We got the back done. It already looks so much better. Alright. right, guys, that's going to finish it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like.